different setup for you today. I'm going to show you my Japanese stationery haul. The fact that I'm even saying that is wild. I never thought we would visit Japan. I certainly never thought I would have a stationery haul. Now let me just preface this with, this is not the vlog for you if you are looking for the keepsake stationery, the wooden pen, the glass pen that you dip into ink and you do the fancy calligraphy, or the leather bound journals that you have customized or personalized. This is not it. This is stationery that I've bought that I'm currently using. None of this is keepsake stuff that I will be looking at or using for special occasions. Granted, I've got some stickers and postcards, but because we're traveling, I wasn't able to get all the big heavy items in the beautiful gift boxes. This is budget stationery, stationery for everyday use. Let me show you. So here's a quick sweep over what I've got. It is not a lot, but like I said, we're traveling. I can't have too much. This is already a lot considering how many journals I brought with me in the first place. Okay, let's start off with the Traveller's Factory. If you don't know of the Traveller's Factory, there are a few stores in Japan. They have a lot of beautiful leather journals. They're specifically created for traveling. They are stunning, they're beautiful. I wanted to get something from there, but like I said, I couldn't have anything too heavy. So I got this really beautiful bag to put all my journals and stationery stuff in. Freaking love it. I think I got this one in, I want to say Kyoto, but there definitely was a store in Tokyo as well. Okay, then I got a pencil case. I'd been using a Ziploc bag up until this point, so I knew I wanted one. I've never heard of the brand before, but it is a beautiful soft pencil case. It has a lot of space in it, and it's very much on brand for me. It is mint green. As you'll see, I've got a few mint green items here, but absolutely love it. Okay, moving over to Disney. Got a couple of notebooks. If you've watched any of our vlogs already, you'll see that this one has been used for stationery stamps, but I purposely bought the pack because I really liked this notebook. It has a lot of the characters or rides or foods that we enjoyed whilst there. There's some on the other side. And these were a really good price. It was only a few pounds, I think maybe £5 for the pack. I can't actually remember, but it was a really good dealio, so I couldn't pass that up. Also got a couple of postcards. Again, these were a really good price compared to the prices in Florida. These were a steal, but very much going to be using these for putting up in my wall whenever we end up with somewhere that has a wall. A few stickers here. I've included them because they are technically stationery, I guess. But all of these came from cast members and were just a lovely extra. I might actually put one of these on my laptop. Yeah. Okay, some more stickers. Here we got these from one of the tourist informations at the Metropolitan Government Building when we went to do the 45th floor viewing observatory deck area. But yeah, Hello Kitty, very, very cute. Moving on to kind of like paper products. Like I said, this is a bit more of a budget friendly. So we've got just Post-its. I really liked the rounded corners. I hadn't seen that before. As you can see, it's been used because there's all pen marks on it. Really liked this. I bought it because it was just a really cute random bird, but I think it actually, like, there's a lot of merch with this bird on it. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's very cute. These are more, whereas these are sticky, these are not. It's just like a little piece of paper. Okay, moving on. This, I freaking love this. So cute. A little sloth to do. I don't think there's anything here. No, I have used it, but there's nothing in here at the moment. Really cute. I've had these before. I think it was a koala I had in the past, but just got another pack of these for to-dos. Now this is a bit random. I bought this purely because I really liked the front cover and I thought it would be really good to put it in a frame, because it's just like a little Mount Fuji with the sun setting or rising. So this was attached to the notebook, but I ripped it off and I've kept it in my my bag with all my good stuff. So this has just turned into a random notepad that I'm not that bothered about using. But this was 100 yen, I think it was, so super, super cheap. Now this one, it was just really, really cute. Again, it's another kind of to-do list tracker. One has got a design of the little kind of finches, and then the other one has got a design of, what are these, cockatoos, I think? But really cute. This came from a random stationery shop. I will put information about where I got all of this stuff from in the description, but this one was just a random one at the end of our street where we were staying at our Airbnb. But very, very cute. Okay, let's move on to the pens, where I think I did the most damage. I love pens. I use pens a lot. I think I actually brought probably close to 30 pens with us on our travels. That's how many pens I need with me. But I got a selection. So I got a couple of highlighters. I already have quite a few midliners. I really like these because you've got the two different ends to these. So I just got a couple more. They were just too good a price not to. Got a couple of these Unibel 1 pens. I actually thought they were the exact same thing. Obviously I can see that the colours are different on the clip, but yeah, this one was a bit of a disappointment because the colour actually matches the colour of the ink. So this is almost like I'm writing in pencil. It's such a soft grey. Don't love it, but aesthetically I like the look of the pens. And then I've got these two that are both BLEN and just got a really nice feel to them. Really like them. Both are 0.7. So yeah, a really nice pen. Now this one, I got it purely because it was grey. As you can tell, there's a bit of a theme. I like grey and I like mint green. So I bought it purely because of that, and I really liked it. So then I went and got two more kind of just fairly standard looking pens, but one was in a really deep dark navy and the other in black. But yeah, I really liked it. This is I think this is 0.5. This isn't focusing. Yeah, 0.5, and these are 1.0. So I got quite a selection of nibs ranging from I think 0.38, which is this one, right up to the 1 point. Now, that's my general pen stash. This is my Muji pen stash. I absolutely love these pens, and I've been on the hunt for this for years. I got one at a Lululemon event 6 years ago, freaking loved it, but could never find them anywhere. So I ended up, I cannot tell you how many Muji stores I went into, how many stationery stores I went into looking for these. It does seem like this type of pen, the gel ink ballpoint pen cap type, this is 0.7, and black and blue. These seem to be discontinued now, so I only managed to find these. Technically, I think I got them in Singapore, but I'm including them here just because they are made in Japan and the Muji stores are in Japan. But yeah, they were sold out everywhere, or I could only find like greens and oranges. So when I did find them, not only did I buy 2 black and 1 navy, but then I bought tons of refills just so I had extra. And I very much convinced myself that because these weigh virtually nothing, that it was okay to get so many refills. I cannot imagine I'll be finishing any of these pens anytime soon, but I couldn't pass them up. Now, a couple of just tabs. These were really good prices. One's Post-it and one's just generic. But there was one store that we went into where I think everything was it 100 yen? So yeah, that was where I got like a number of these little wee notebooks from. And so yeah, just got some tabs. Now finally, let me show you some of the postcards. We have been collecting postcards with the intention of putting them up on a wall whenever we get a house. So let me just show you some of the, oh gosh, they're stuck to the carpet. Some of the postcards that we have bought during our time in Japan. So this one we got in, is it Kyoto? It's either Kyoto or Osaka, I can't remember. This one I thought was really pretty, beautiful. I loved how it just had pops of green in it. Mount Fuji, gorgeous. Another one of the view of Mount Fuji. This is from the Imperial Gardens. Such a beautiful palace and gardens. And then another beautiful postcard. I think that was also from the Imperial Gardens. But that is the haul. So yes, it's small. It is nothing like super special in terms of keepsake stuff, but it is all things I'm going to be using and I freaking love. So like I said, I will put the information in the description of the shops that we went to. And if there's something specific that you want information on, then pop it in a comment below and I will reply letting you know where I got things and if I remember the specific prices. Bye!